Take a positions and terms that particular area, write one more special problem. Please write it. Check whether 50 is a term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, etc. Full stop. If yes, what is the position of that term? If yes, what is the position of that term? Question mark. Okay, I repeat the question. Check whether 50 is a term of this arithmetic sequence. 50 is a term of this particular arithmetic sequence. If yes, what is the position of that term? If it is yes, what is the position of that term? It's a very interesting. ഈ arithmetic sequenceൽ 50 അംഗമാണോ എന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. അങ്ങനെ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത അംഗമാണെങ്കിൽ ടേം ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ 50 എത്രാമത്തെ പൊസിഷനിൽ വരുന്നു? Here this is the first position, second position, third position, and 50 may be 11th position or 15th position. That way we should find it. First of all, check 50 is a term. How will you find 50 is a term means first of all find a common difference. So common difference 5 minus 2 it is 3. So this is the common difference of this sequence. So that common difference is dividing by every term. What is the remainder? 2 divided by 3 is not possible, so the remainder is 2. 5 divided by that common difference, it is 1 times. 5 divided by 3, 1 times. So what is the common difference? 2. 8 divided by 3, 2 times 6. What is the common difference? So in each term of this arithmetic sequence is divided by its common difference. We get the remainder is 2. So that is the mechanism. If you apply that mechanism in the term 50, so 50 divided by 3, so 1 times 3, so 20, sorry, not 8, it is 24, says what? 18. So the remainder is what? Same as the previous. Therefore, what is our conclusion? 50 is a term of the arithmetic sequence. This is the first one. Then what is the position of 50? The second part. Position of 50 means suppose 50 is here. So this is the first position, second position, third position, and this is the nth position. So that nth position term minus first position term divided by n minus 1. That is common difference. So this is the relation. Common difference is a particular term minus another term divided by the difference of their positions. We don't know what is n. We are going to find n. So here the common difference is 3. So 3 equal to the last term is 50 minus, I am going to take the first term. If you want in the place of x1 we should write x2 or x3. If it is x2 here 2, x3 here 3, like that. So what is x1? 2 by n minus 1. Okay. So by simplifying, 3 minus 1 is equal to 50 minus 2 is 48 divided by n minus 3. So cross multiplying. So 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 48 into 1 is 48. So 3n minus 3 equal to 48. So 3n equal to 48 plus 3. So 3n equal to 52. So n equal to 52 divided by 3. So here it is 1 times 22. I think slight mistake is there. What is 48 plus 3? It is 51. My mistake. Here also 51. So 5 divided by 3, it is 1 times. Then 21, 7. Therefore, the 17th term is 50. 17th term is 50. Is it clear? It's a very interesting problem. First of all, check 50 is a term. How will you find what is the common difference? And each term by common difference, what is the remainder? That way, by checking term divided by the common difference, the remainder is same as the previous. Then definitely 50 is the term of this arithmetic. That's a very important property for arithmetic sequence. Now find the position of the term 50. We know the difference between the terms and the difference between the position is the common difference. By applying CD equal to xn minus x1 by n minus 1. By substituting that, we get n is 17, or the 17th position of this arithmetic sequence is 50. Okay? Is it clear?